How to create a bar graph. What is a bar graph? We use bar graphs to represent data. Bar graphs use horizontal or vertical bars to represent the information. They include a number of elements such as a title display clue at the top of each graph, a name for the vertical axis, a name for the horizontal axis, lines and numbers on the graph to show how many of an object is being represented. Title for the graph. This title needs to explain clearly what information the graph is representing. It should be short but include all important information. For example, data collected about the different colours hair of students in our class might be titled Hair Colour of Boys and Girls in Year 3H. Vertical axis label. This label lets people know how much of an object is being represented. This increases by a constant number. For example, each line on a graph can represent one or two of an object. A scale also needs to be included, so it is easy to see by how much the graph is increasing by. In this graph, the scale is every line represents 2 students. Horizontal axis label. This label shows what the object is that is being represented in the graph. In the graph below, the horizontal axis label is hair colour. Underneath each bar in the graph is the name of what the object is. In this graph, the objects being displayed in the graph are brown, blonde, red, and all other hair colours. Now it is your turn. The computer officer will need to open the graph link in the web quest and print the page. Use this page to draw and label your own bar graph to represent the results of the data you gathered from the event your group is focusing on from the class Olympic Mathletics Day. Don't forget to include all the necessary information. Once you have completed this, show your teacher, Ms. Hoffman, before moving on to the next part of the step. Happy graphing!